Everybody say, oh, nah, 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 nah. 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 Nobody for defend the poor and the needy.
Hey everybody, Tyler here, and we're gonna do another one of Tyler's first tries. So yeah, preheat your oven. Today we're making some cupcakes. I'm listing all the ingredients on the screen. These are my dry ingredients. I'm using cake flour for the first time ever, and I really liked my results. So yeah, that's the dry ingredients, and now I'm going into the moist or wet ingredients portion. For my lemon zest, I didn't have a microplane, so I ended up using a cheese grater on the second smallest size. So I'm going to go in with my electric mixer and mix all this stuff together until it's pretty smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my eggs. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. And yeah, we're just going to mix until everything is fully incorporated. Making sure to go up on the sides and get all that stuff off so everything gets mixed together properly. So I've gone in with some vanilla extract, and now I'm going in with my buttermilk. I want to take this time out to thank you guys for watching my content, liking my videos, and sticking it through with me. I forgot to mention that these are actually lemon cupcakes that I'm making. So that's why you saw me add the lemon zest earlier, and I'm adding the juice of 1 whole lemon. I use my strainer just to make sure that I don't get any pulp or seeds into my cupcake mixture. And now things seem to go left. So if you can notice, my batter is not getting smooth, it's getting chunky. And I think it's getting chunky because the lemon juice has now caused the buttermilk to curdle. So at this point I had an anxiety attack, but I was like, all right, I'm already too far gone in. Let's just mix in the dry ingredients. I put them in portions just to make sure that everything gets incorporated fully and I don't have like a dust bomb go off in my kitchen. While I cook, I usually do make a mess. So yeah, anyways, so I mix everything in and it actually smooths out. As you can see, everything seems to get incorporated really well. It's actually a really like fluffy batter. It feels like it's a little aerated. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So now I'm setting up my cupcakes. I'm actually using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the cupcakes and put them into the little yellow liners. But I found that it wasn't giving me enough. So on some of the cupcakes, I went in with like a scoop and a half or 2 scoops just because I wanted to fill them to the top. I do like a little like hangover edge cupcake vibe. Yeah, I don't like little cupcakes. So I wanted to give it a little oomph and I didn't want to waste my batter. So I filled them up and I shot these bad boys into the oven. And I didn't forget to do my signature slam. These are my babies straight out the oven. I expected them to be a little bit darker, but maybe that's just me. So now we're gonna move on to the frosting. This is half a cup of butter and half a cup of cream cheese, and I'm going to mix that with some vanilla extract. I most of the recipes I found had like a lemon type of frosting, but I didn't want to do an overkill with the lemon flavor, so I just opted for cream cheese type buttercream frosting vibe. So now I'm going in with 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. I always found that buttercream recipes usually ask for like 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, and I just don't like very sweet frosting. I like more of a mild sweetness, just to like complement the whatever pastry I'm eating. Pastry, is it baked goods, whatever, you get what I'm saying. I don't like super sweet frosting, so I usually go light with the confectioner's sugar. I ended up adding about a 1/4 cup of whole, no, not whole, what's this? Heavy cream. I ended up going in with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream just to give it more of a fluffy texture. I also went in with some yellow food coloring, just to give it like a lemony vibe. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty smooth now, tastes pretty good. I let my babies taste it. And yeah, I threw this in the refrigerator until it cooled, until the cupcakes cooled so that I could frost.
Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving. Trying to wash the pain away.
And these are my results. This cupcake was super fluffy, super soft and moist. I loved it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.
It's a dance all vibes, yeah. Everybody say, oh, nah, 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 nah.